Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Chase credit cards account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So, to log into your Chase credit cards account, firstly open your Google search, type in Chase credit card login and make a search. It will display the search results. Click on the sign in link displayed on the screen and it will take you to the official page of Chase credit card account. Click on the sign in link at the top right corner of the screen. To log into your Chase credit cards account, enter your username and password associated with your account. Click on Remember Me if you want your username and password to be remembered next time you log into your account. In case you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password. Now, after entering your username and password, click on Sign In. This is how you can log into your Chase credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.